NetWeb Technologies announces manufacturing partnership for the NVIDIA Grace CPU Superchip and GH200 Grace Hopper Superchip MGX server designs. NetWeb will build and produce more than 10 server variations under its Tyrone range of AI systems meant for a wide range of AI and high-performance computing/supercomputing applications. Raymond Chairman and Managing Director Gautam Singhania has sought to allay concerns over the impact of his personal life on the company's businesses. 2 weeks after parting ways with his wife of 24 years, the textile tycoon has told Raymond's board and employees that he is fully committed towards the smooth functioning of the company and its businesses. In an internal statement, he said it's business as usual at the company despite these, being, difficult times for me. Newgen Software recommended the issue of bonus shares in the proportion of 1:1. CE Info. Board approved raising of funds for an aggregate amount not exceeding 500 rupees crores by way of qualified institutional placement, QIP. Shivalik Bimetal. Signed MOU with Metalor Technologies International SA, Swiss Corporation. For setting up a joint venture in India to manufacture and sale of electrical contacts. Shivalik Bimetal. Signed MOU with Metalor Technologies International SA, Swiss Corporation. For setting up a joint venture in India to manufacture and sale of electrical contacts. JBM Auto, Electra Green Tech e-buses expected to account for 11 to 13 PC of new bus sales by FY25 ICRA. Chem, Prudent, K-Fintech, AMC. Go First lenders meeting today, voting on liquidation may start this week, sources. TVS Motor Company Director and CEO K.N. Radhakrishnan. To expand electric two-wheeler range over next 1 year. To commence sales of its new electric scooter TVS X in Q2 FY24. To increase production capacity of electric scooter iQube to 25,000 units per month. HAL, Bharat Electronics, Bharat Dynamics Defense Stocks. India set to begin ambitious defense projects worth Rs 1.4 LKCR. Fortis Healthcare. To sell Mulhar Hospital for Rs 0.128 CR to MGM Healthcare. Co holds a 62.7% stake in the subsidiary. Spencer's Retail, 700 CR MCAP. Nature's Basket Limited, a subsidiary, is expected to reduce its debt in due course by 100 rupees crores approximately through a mix of loan restructuring and repayment of loans. RPSG Ventures, 2000 CRMCAP. Potential of listing of the FMCG business in future, which is currently in the scaling up stage with good prospects of generating profit in future. Tuyum brand is growing well while it has relaunched its personal care business. Bandhan Bank. Board approved the reappointment of Chandrasekhar Ghosh as MD and CEO of the bank for 3 years WEF July 10, 24. Application will be made to RBI. Street was expecting retirement would be there, so plus VE development. Raymond Chairman and MD Gautam Singhania email to board, employees. Remain resolute as CMD. Fully committed to smooth functioning of company, its business. Even in these difficult times for me, I assure you that at Raymond it is business as usual. Wellspun Ant. Company shall not pursue the sustainable energy solutions/new energy business. Transfer of its entire shareholding in Wellspun New Energy Limited to the promoter group entities at a consideration of Rs 1 lakh. JK Cement. JK Cement Works, a JJNA unit of the company has successfully commenced cement grinding capacity of 1.5 MNTPA on November 25, 2023 at its newly set up cement manufacturing facilities situated at Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Khadim India. Kadam India to raise funds of about 15 crore through convertible warrants. To utilize the fund largely towards the nationwide retail expansion and revamping of existing stores which would reinforce its market position. Buzz of re-rating and marquee investors. J. Bharat Maruti lays foundation stone for its upcoming facility in Karkoda, Haryana. IRB Infras Arm signs concession agreement with NHAI for top project in Madhya Pradesh. Blue Dart Express inaugurates 40 new franchisees, company-owned retail outlets. Shivalik Bimetal. Signed MOU with Metaller Technologies International SA, Swiss Corporation, for setting up a joint venture in India to manufacture and sale of electrical contacts. SJVN. First unit of 30 MW capacity of 60 MW Natwar Mori Hydroelectric Project, NHEP, in Uttarakhand has successfully achieved the commercial operation date, COD, today. https://t.me/+04RJBXHT4Y85M2FL. Dynamatic Technologies successfully completes first delivery of Airbus A220 escape hatch door assembly to Airbus Atlantic. Arvind Smart Spaces. Arvind Smart Spaces and HDFC Capital Advisors achieve financial closure on Fruits of Life project in a year. The premium plotting project housed under the HDFC Platform 2 delivered strong returns. We have one major launch and 3 medium-sized launches slated in H2 FY24, see traction in smaller geographies like Indore and Lucknow. We will be able to do sales of 13,000 Indian rupees CR in FY24. Ashok Kumar Tyagi of DLF to CNBC TV 18. Oberoi Realty Unit Site Realty sells entire 33% stake in JV Metropark Infratech and Realty Developments, exchange filing. ITC acquires 2,286 shares of Delectable Technologies Private, exchange filing. Big news for Patanjali. Exchange notification, shares of Patanjali to move out of ASM segment WEF November 1st. Paradeep Phosphates revenue rises 20.6% year-on-year to 3,683 rupees crore. Expect strong growth in banking segment over next 2 years, Vinay Sharma of Nippon India MF said. JK Cement says. Targeted volumes in FY24 backhand index pointing right consolidated at 18 MT 18.5 MT, grey cement at 16 MT. EBITDA/TN in H2 FY24 backhand index pointing right range of Indian rupee 1100-1150/TN. Expansion plans backhand index pointing right leaning towards organic vs inorganic. IFGL Refractories says. Stick to guidance given for FY24. Direct hit revenue at 1,750 Indian rupees CR. Margins backhand index pointing right consolidated at 12%, standalone at 15%. Peak revenue potential at Indian rupee 2500 CR with capex plans announced. Big news for Tata Power. Tata Power, co-estimated capex of around INR 600 B till FY27. Tata Power, 45% of FY24-27 planned capex to be on renewables. Tata Power estimates capex of around 60,000 rupees crore till FY27. Talks on with Adani Group on Tajpur Port project, says Bengal Minister. State Minister for Industries, Commerce and Enterprises Sashi Punja said the PROJ is very much on track and talks are underway with the Adani Group.